Today I'm going to show you how to obtain the files required to print and code your own Futurama inspired Deathclock. In part 2 I will show you how to make the finger mechanism and interact with Twitch chat, allowing them to redeem channel points to push the button. This is a very quick overview of how it should look once you've got everything printed and assembled. The basic unit requires an Arduino Nano, a temporary push button, and 4 8x8 panel LED displays. To obtain the files, you'll want to head to github.com/disasterofpuppets. Go to Futurama Deathclock and you'll want to grab deathclocknano.ino. You can also find the wiring diagrams and 3D files here. Here you can see the individual parts. We see the back, the LCD panel, and we can see how these clip together. I've left the top solid so you can drill your own wire holes depending on the size of your switch. You'll also need to print out 4 of the legs and the button shroud. Before we upload our code, you can change the responses starting from line 82. Each response needs to start and end in quotations followed by a comma. Now if you wish to add or remove, you can do so. However, you will need to update the total number of lines on line 217. In this case, we have a default of 26 different options. Before you assemble the LCD, you'll need to remove the existing jumper pins as we need a 90-degree angle for a good fit. You can either relocate the jumper to the back, however I simply soldered the wires directly to the board. So once you've printed your 3D parts and assembled, wired everything up and uploaded your code, you are ready to go. Your Deathclock is complete. As a bit of a side note, I did have trouble trying to get the sketch to upload. If I unplugged the ground from the LCD, everything was fine. Well, that's it. You might be interested in some other projects I have on the go, and if you want to follow me on social media, the links are in the description. I'd love to see you on twitch.tv/disasterofpuppets as well. Soon I'll be making a Twitch-triggered fart machine with real smell. Because I hate myself. So come tune in for that shit show. Bye!